XTRA SOFT. Ultra comfort surface for beginners and experts that provides a premium feel for enhanced performance. Durable all-weather microfiber. Enjoy as much fun in the sun as you want. The ball's composite leather cover is all-weather and the surface ensures precise touch and spin during play. Robust panel stitching. 18 panels with machine stitching designed to withstand competitive and recreational play. Bonus air pump and BALLBAG. GoSports includes a premium hand pump for maintaining optimum air pressure and a mesh ball bag for storage. Balls ship deflated. Top reviews from the United States. Soft and authentic feel. Incredible value with this ball. Says XTRA SOFT and they mean it. My young niece is sensitive, so I had to find an indoor ball soft enough she would be comfortable passing, bumping for long pepper periods. Most of the less expensive balls are really hard, synthetic and bite the skin when passing. This ball responds well and may make a good ball for beach volleyball as well. Far better than the AVP Willson replica balls that cost approx $20 plus.